Hi, this is PP Rao from Enjoy Learning. In today's video, we are going to learn that deduce the expression for the equivalent resistance of three resistors connected in series. Or three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. The total resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Observe the circuit. Here is a battery, ammeter and three resistors R1, R2 and R3 and voltmeter, and there is a plug key, and the ammeter is connected in series with R1, R2, R3 and battery, and the voltmeter is connected in parallel. In series combination, current I remains constant. Voltage divided into V1, V2 and V3 across R1, R2 and R3 respectively. That means V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, as we know. According to Ohm's law, potential difference across V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. Observe this circuit. We are going to replace R1, R2, R3 by an equal resistance or EQ of the combination resistors in series. I am replacing R1, R2 and R3. Now I am inserting a equivalent resistor or EQ in the circuit. Then we get V is equal to IR. Now we are going to solve some equations and substituting the values. Substituting the values of V1, V2 and V3 in the equation, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So IRS is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Then IRS equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So cancel both sides I, we get RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So the conclusion is, when several resistors are joined in series, the resistance of the combination RS is equal to the sum of the individual resistances R1, R2 and R3.